Okay, part one for the kidneys. So we're going to do frog pose to start with. We can do 26 frogs. If you can't manage 26, try 10 and try building up. It's going to be an inhale and up and an exhale down. Helps to move the energy from the second chakra, energy that's stuck in the hips and the pelvis, up to the third eye point. So we're going to come with the hands on your fingertips. Make sure the legs are spread wide, so your hand, don't do it with the hands outside the legs, hands inside, and heels together if that's possible. And it's going to be an inhale, and we're going to stand up and the head comes down. Exhale and we go back this way. So that's one. Count your own. And just stretch your legs out for a moment. A couple of long deep breaths. Set yourself back, sitting. Now, it's good anywhere you can sip water when you're doing yoga. But for this meditation, it's good to have a little drink before you start. And you're going to put your hands under your armpits, this way. And then you're going to bring your shoulders up to your earlobes, nice and tight up here. And you're just going to fix in this position. And it's going to help, especially with if you're feeling emotional or tense about something. It's kind of like exaggerating that perspective and that position. And start to breathe long and deep. Now the breath will adjust itself, so you don't need to worry too much about the breath actually. And we're going to go for 3 minutes in this position. So you'll feel that the breath will tend to adjust itself and go a little deeper anyway. These shoulders up. much longer. Keep the shoulders up. And inhale, deep hold the breath. Tighten up. Pull on the pelvic floor. Lift all the energy up. Tight. Tighter. And exhale and relax. Shrug your shoulders a few times.